Okay, friends, welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and more. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. If you are new here, welcome, and of course, welcome all my YouTube fam. But if you are new here, today's video we put out on Tuesdays is hashtag crockpot casserole. And in the summer, we also do salads of any kind. It could be a dessert type salad like Watergate salad, or it could be a regular yummy hearty salad. Any guesses on what I'm making today? That's right, broccoli salad. This comes at my husband's request. I've got all the ingredients here that we need for it. And Crockpot Casserole is hosted by Lois over at Life with Lois and myself. We'd love for you to join us. So for my ingredients today, I've got bacon bits. I use the real bacon bits just because I think they taste better. And then I've got a nice big stalk of broccoli there. Got some sunflower seeds. They are roasted and salted. You'll also need mayo. You'll need a red onion. You'll need some white sugar. You'll need some white distilled vinegar. That's what I put in mine. And some salt and pepper. So these are all the ingredients that you'll need for a broccoli salad. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever made broccoli salad and how you do it. What ingredients do you use? Do you use the same as mine, or do you switch it up and put other things in it? I'd love to hear. And also, Lois and I would love for you to join us if you'd like to join in the hashtag crockpot casserole. You can certainly do a casserole meal, a crockpot meal, or a salad meal. Like I said, dessert or a hearty salad. So let me go ahead and get this started and I'll be back. I apologize, friends. One more ingredient, cheese. And I'm using the Tillamook triple cheddar blend. We love Tillamook. I love Tillamook anything. I love the Tillamook cheese. I love the Tillamook ice cream. Yeah, it's all just super yummy. So if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend. Not sponsored, just thought I'd throw that in there. But we do really love it. My family and I buy it a lot. And especially we love when they have it on sale at Food Lion. Okay, friends, stay with me. Okay, friends, so I just mixed it up a bit. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. Perfect.